What are you doing, Leo? Why are you inside of the plastic bag? Huh? What are you doing, Leo? Hey, Leo. Leo. What are you doing there? Huh? Come out, come out. Leo. What are you doing there? Are you a garbage bag? Do I need to throw you outside? Hey, Leo, come out. Guys, he's inside of this plastic bag. See? Actually, this is my garbage bag supposed to be now. Now he's inside. Say hi. Why are you hiding? You're crazy. Come out, come out. I need it. I need that bag. Leo, I need that bag. Come out. Yeah, come out, come out. See, guys, he's inside of this famous bag. You know, for the supermarket. Plastic bag is inside. Come out! What are you doing there? Oh my God, Leo, what are you doing? You don't like to come out, guys. And I'm after you will be suffocated. You're crazy, huh? You're playing with me again. I am not playing with you. Loko ka talaga. Oh my God. This crazy boy. Yala, bye.